Did you know that chronic fatigue syndrome is more than just being tired? It's a complex, debilitating illness that affects millions worldwide, yet it's often misunderstood and misdiagnosed. Imagine feeling like you have the flu every single day for months or even years. In this video, we're diving deep into the science behind ME/CFS, exploring its potential causes and looking at promising research that offers hope for the future. From the immune system to the gut microbiome, we'll uncover the intricate ways ME/CFS affects the body and discuss potential treatment strategies that go beyond just managing symptoms. Let's unravel the mysteries of ME/CFS together. Our journey begins in 1955 at the Royal Free Hospital in London, where a mysterious illness struck down hundreds of staff. Initially dismissed as mass hysteria, it was characterized by fatigue, muscle pain, and cognitive difficulties. This event marked a turning point in understanding ME/CFS. It highlighted the physical nature of the illness and the dangers of misattributing it to psychological factors. It's time to move beyond outdated notions and embrace a future guided by science and empathy. Groundbreaking research from the National Institutes of Health, or NIH, is shedding new light on ME/CFS. Recruiting the right patients is a major challenge. They use a rigorous screening process to ensure genuine ME/CFS cases. This strengthens the study's findings and understanding of ME/CFS. Selecting participants with post-exertional malaise ensures reliable results. This focus on recruitment realness is a game changer. The NIH study underscores the importance of rigorous methodology. One of the key areas the NIH study investigated was the autonomic nervous system, which controls essential bodily functions like heart rate, blood pressure, and digestion. Many ME/CFS patients experience symptoms like dizziness, lightheadedness, and abnormal heart rhythms, suggesting something's amiss with this crucial system. The NIH study found evidence of autonomic dysfunction in ME/CFS patients. This means their bodies struggle to regulate these vital functions, leading to a cascade of debilitating symptoms. This finding is crucial because it provides further evidence that ME/CFS is a real physiological illness, not a psychological one. It also opens up new avenues for treatment, focusing on restoring balance to this essential system. The NIH study didn't stop at the autonomic nervous system. They also used advanced brain imaging techniques to peek inside the brains of ME/CFS patients, and what they discovered was fascinating. While most people's brains calm down after exercise, ME/CFS patients showed increased activity in certain brain regions post-exertion. This finding challenges the misconception that ME/CFS is all in their heads. The discovery of neurological overactivity post-exercise has significant implications for understanding not just the debilitating fatigue, but also the cognitive difficulties, muscle pain, and other symptoms that characterize ME/CFS. Speaking of exertion, let's talk about exercise intolerance, a hallmark of ME/CFS. The NIH study used CPET to assess oxygen use during exercise. ME/CFS patients showed reduced peak oxygen uptake and lower peak power output. These findings provide concrete evidence of the physical limitations faced by ME/CFS patients. Now, let's delve deeper into the brain chemistry of ME/CFS. Studies have revealed imbalances in key neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine in individuals with ME/CFS. These neurotransmitters play crucial roles in regulating mood, sleep, motivation, and energy levels, all of which are significantly impacted in ME/CFS. This imbalance in neurotransmitters can contribute to the overwhelming fatigue, brain fog, sleep disturbances, and mood swings that are so characteristic of the illness. Understanding these neurochemical imbalances is crucial for developing targeted treatments that address the root causes of ME/CFS, rather than just masking the symptoms. The NIH study uncovered differences in gene expression between ME/CFS patients and healthy controls. Genes related to muscle function and energy production were expressed differently in ME/CFS patients, especially after exercise. These differences were more pronounced in women, shedding light on why the illness affects females more. These alterations disrupt cellular processes, leading to muscle fatigue and energy depletion. Discovering these gene expression differences opens new research avenues. Pinpointing specific genes may help develop targeted therapies for the illness. Many ME/CFS patients report experiencing flu-like symptoms that never seem to go away, suggesting their immune systems might be stuck in overdrive. Studies have found evidence of immune system irregularities in ME/CFS patients. This includes abnormal levels of cytokines, those signaling molecules that regulate immune responses, and reduced activity of natural killer cells, those frontline soldiers that fight off infections. This chronic state of activation can lead to inflammation, fatigue, and other debilitating symptoms. Research into the immune system's role in ME/CFS is crucial for developing treatments that target this dysregulation and restore balance to the body's defenses. Emerging research suggests that these microscopic tenets play a significant role in our overall health. Imbalances in the gut microbiome have been linked to various conditions, including ME/CFS. Individuals with ME/CFS tend to have reduced gut microbiota diversity. This impacts digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. Let's debunk some common misconceptions about ME/CFS. It's not all in your head. ME/CFS is not a psychological disorder or caused by laziness. It's a complex, multi-systemic illness. Accurate information fosters understanding and empathy. Researchers are piecing together a complex puzzle, and while there's no single answer yet, the NIH study proposes a compelling model for ME/CFS progression. They suggest that ME/CFS may develop in susceptible individuals following a trigger, such as a viral infection, environmental toxin exposure, or even severe stress. This trigger then sets off a cascade of events, leading to dysregulation of the immune system, autonomic nervous system, and energy metabolism. This model helps explain the multi-systemic nature of the illness and highlights the interconnectedness of various bodily systems. While more research is needed to fully understand the intricacies of ME/CFS progression, this model provides a valuable framework for future investigations. Now for the question on everyone's minds, what about treatments? While there's no magic bullet cure for ME/CFS yet, promising research offers hope for the future. Potential therapeutic avenues currently being explored include immune system modulation, neurotransmitter rebalancing, and gut microbiome restoration. It's important to note that these are just a few examples, and research is ongoing. The future of ME/CFS treatment lies in personalized approaches tailored to each individual's unique needs and underlying mechanisms. With continued research, increased awareness, and a collective push for better understanding, we can make a real difference in the lives of those living with ME/CFS. As with any complex and often misunderstood illness, ME/CFS research has faced its fair share of skepticism and setbacks over the years. Limited funding, lack of awareness, and the inherent difficulty of studying a multi-systemic illness have all hindered progress. However, amidst the challenges, there's also a growing sense of hope. Advances in technology such as next-generation sequencing and brain imaging techniques are providing powerful tools to unravel the mysteries of ME/CFS. The future of ME/CFS research is bright, fueled by a collective determination to find answers, develop effective treatments, and improve the lives of millions affected by this debilitating illness. We've come a long way from dismissing ME/CFS as yuppie flu. The skepticism highlights a societal tendency to undervalue illnesses affecting women. It's time to break free from outdated notions and embrace science and empathy in understanding health. ME/CFS is not a character flaw or a figment of the imagination. By challenging stigma and promoting accurate information, we can create a world where ME/CFS is met with understanding and effective treatments. We've covered a lot of ground in this video, from the historical misconceptions surrounding ME/CFS to the latest scientific breakthroughs. Remember, this is an illness that affects millions worldwide, often leaving them feeling isolated, misunderstood, and desperate for answers. But there's hope on the horizon. Let's push for more research and better understanding together. Share this video, educate others, and let's work towards a future where ME/CFS is no longer a mystery, but a manageable condition with effective treatments.